Yeah, what up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is our first day of trading my $50 challenge account. I said I want to trade $50 account for 30 days to see the outcome, right? So today is the very first day and it's come out to be a blue pips. So I made $17 just from $15. That's about 30%, right? So I'll show you exactly how I mark out my key points and how I had the trade. So that will help you whenever you see opportunities like that. So make sure you stay to the end of this video. So, I love to mark out my previous day liquidities, all right, so which was Monday, right? So I just had to draw out the unswept liquidity from the top, from the bottom. So if you don't know how to mark out this liquidity, you can check my previous videos. I've talked much about how to draw out previous day's liquidity like this. So I was able to draw all of this out. And lastly, I had this at the bottom, all right? So that was for Monday, which was a very nice one, okay? So now I consider going back to 5 minutes time frame because that's where I love to pick up my trade. So 5 minutes time frame. Now I got to check out the market properly. So looking at the market, there's something I want you to really understand. The market was coming from a level at this point where we have trend, okay? So we have an uptrend. You can see how the market was going. So this was a very valid uptrend and the market kept going up to this level. Then we have some kind of ranging at this level, okay? So there's one thing I want you to know. Whenever there's a trend in the market and the market eventually change structure to a ranging structure, to a consolidation, you should know that two things is going to happen, definitely. It's either the market keep following the initial trend or the market break down to the inverse trend. So right here we have an uptrend and eventually we move straight to ranging at this level. So what we should be expecting is either the market keep going uptrend or the market have a reverse back to the downside and creates downtrend, all right? So that's what we're gonna be putting our eyes close to see what's gonna happen. So looking at this level properly, zooming this level, it has created a key point here. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw out the key point, all right? So after drawing these key points, I want to draw it down to this level. And I could see that the key point is actually having some kind of relationship with the ranging market, all right? And at the top, I have the market rejecting consistently at this level. So I was seeing to see the markets to either break above, and let me see how the market is going to play around that level, and I go for a buy. Or I see the markets go down. I want to know which trend do we have next, uptrend or downtrend. So fortunately, I love to trade during the UK session. So I checked the last candle, all right? So I checked the first candle. So this was the first candle during the UK session that ended in 5 minutes. And it shows me bearish and it's broke below this strong key point, all right? So from this level, I consider to have a short. So I know the market is going to be a sell market. So immediately I confirmed that. I went for a short position from this level. Now I considered the top, this liquidity right here as my stop loss. And I had it up to this level, up to this liquidity at the bottom right here to be my take profit. And that was a very beautiful one. So to be at the safer side, I had a kind of initial take profits, which was at this level right here. So I had initial take profit here that gave me about $6. Then the other one gave me about I think $11 or so. So that was how I got all of this. So now let me show you how the market went so quickly. Look at how the market went. So that was a very quick one. Now exactly, so this was where I got my take profit. You can see that. So I quickly went out of the market because I have my profits already. So that's how I made $70 in the first day. So you can save this so that I can also use this strategy whenever I see a market structure like this. So follow me for more. We're going to end this in 30 days.